very rainy Tuesday. Lots of food growing. Aquaponics number 1. The bluegill are very happy after the rains. They get real happy. All that water, fresh rainwater, goes down into the grow bag, goes into the sump and into the tank. Water is very clean, pure, and the fish are very happy after the rain. As you can see, they're hitting that food real hard, the bluegill. This is a beautiful DIY, do-it-yourself by me, off-grid aquaponics food forest. And some of these bluegill have gotten so big, they're ready to harvest and eat. There's 4 of them in here that are about 11 inches, ready to eat if I want to. But I'm going to keep them. Not yet. I want at least 50 large bluegills before I start eating any, harvesting. Them peppers, man, I can't wait to eat them peppers. Stuff them, season them. Tomatoes. I have way more to grow in these systems. This is just a start. I love the rain. I love getting splashed too by hungry bluegill, like I just did. These guys hit that food very hard, this big bluegill. They ain't no joke. Good eating though. They fertilize all the plants. Everything is organic. Until next time. Have a beautiful day. Grow some food. At the end of the day, ain't nobody coming to save us.